If you want to create an Epic Games account quickly and the right way, this video will walk you through the full process step by step. Whether you're signing up so you can play Fortnite, download games from the Epic Games Store, or simply set up your account for future use, this guide will help you get it done in just a few minutes. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy how-to videos just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official Epic Games website. Once the site loads, look at the top right corner of the page and click Sign In. This is where you'll begin the account creation process. On the next screen, you'll see the option to create a new account, so click Create an Account. Epic Games gives you a few different sign-up methods, and you can choose the one that works best for you. If you want the simplest option, click Sign Up with Email. You can also use Google, Facebook, Apple, Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo, or Steam, depending on what's available to you. For this tutorial, we'll use the email method because it works for everyone and is easy to follow. After selecting that option, you'll be asked to enter your account details. Fill in the required information carefully, including your name, display name, email address, password, and any other details Epic Games asks for. Make sure your email address is one you can access, because Epic Games may send a verification message or important account updates there. Also, choose a strong password that you haven't used on other sites. This helps keep your account secure and protects your games, purchases, and personal information. Once everything is filled in, double-check your details to make sure there are no typos. When you're ready, click Yes, continue to move forward. At this point, Epic Games may ask you to confirm your email address or complete a quick verification step. If that happens, just check your inbox and follow the instructions in the email. Once verification is complete, your account will be created and ready to use. From there, you can sign in anytime. Download the Epic Games launcher, claim free games, and start playing. And that's it. You now know how to make an Epic Games account step by step. It's a simple process, but if you follow each step carefully, you'll avoid mistakes and get set up much faster. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.